Go.
Okay, so the inequality here is y is greater than 2x plus 1. What you would usually do if you needed to is put the inequality into y-intercept form, but in this case it's already in y-intercept form, so you wouldn't need to do that. And y-intercept form is just pretty much whenever y is on one side and the rest of the inequality or equation is on the other side of the equal sign or inequality sign. So we have y is greater than 2x plus 1. So what we would do is, first what I usually do is graph my y-intercept first, which is that number that has no coefficient next to it. So what you would do is, since that is a 1, you would, this is your y-intercept, or your y-axis, and then that's your x-axis. So what I would do first is graph your y-intercept, which is 1. So on the y-axis, put 1, and then your slope is 2x, which is the same as 2 over 1, which is your rise over run. So your rise would be 2 and your run would be 1. So you have a rise of 2, so you would go up 1, 2, and over 1, which is your run. So you'd go up 2 over 1, up 1, 2 over 1, up 1, 2 over 1, and then up 1, 2 over 1. And then you would do the same down here, except you'd go down. So down 1, 2 over 1, down 1, 2 over 1, down 1, 2 over 1, and so on. And then, since this inequality has no line underneath it, which would mean greater than or equal to, it's just greater than, so it would be a dashed line. So whenever it's equal to, then it's a filled line. Whenever it's not equal to, it's a dashed line. So you would just make it a dashed line, and then you'd have to shade the line. And shading it is whenever, so y is greater than, so over here we have numbers that are less than this line right here, and then over here we have numbers that are greater than this line over here. So if y is greater than, we would shade on the side that is greater than the line right here. And